loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this sunset date night look. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this, keep watching. So first things first, we are going to start with priming our eyes. I'm using a MAC primer, pretty old, not sure which kind it is. But after we get done priming, we're going to go ahead and go in with a deep red wine color eyeshadow. And you're going to continue to build that up in your crease. Next, we're going to go in with a burnt orange color on our outer eyelid, and we're going to build that up until we get the desired color. Now I'm going back in with that MAC primer to go ahead and prime my lids to prepare for the eyeshadow that I'm going to place on the inner corners. Now for what makes the look, the yellow eyeshadow. You can use any yellow eyeshadow. This whole look I'm using beauty supply store products, but we're just gonna build that up until we get a sunset looking yellow. Then you just want to go back in with your blending brush and blend out any harsh lines you see in between your wine color and yellow eyeshadow. After that, we're going to go in with a dark purple color in our crease in the outer corners of our eyes and darken up that area. Last but not least, we're going to prime the corner of our eyes to go ahead and prepare for some white eyeshadow that we're going to put right there. For my face, I'm doing the same exact routine that I did in my last video. So if you want to check out and see what products I used and a little bit deeper step-by-step for my face highlighting, contour, foundation, all of that, go ahead and click on the last video to check that out. And that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.